Hey guys, it's me, and it's January 14th, 2023, and I went to the 2023 Greenberg Train Show. So yeah, this is the second year in a row I went to the Greenberg Train Show. I didn't film this year, just because I didn't really feel like filming there this year. There were some layouts there that were, that were kind of nice. Um, but I didn't film anything. Just wasn't really feeling up to that. But these are the trains that I actually bought today. Oh, by the way, the show goes on until January 15th, 2023, which is this Sunday. I think it's from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. or something like that. But you can double check the times online. Like if you just type it in on Google, it'll pop up. But yeah, a lot of great trains there, a lot of great displays. This is what I bought though. So, one vendor who I've seen before last year who has really nice stuff. Um, these are Duluth, Mesabi, and Iron Range ore hoppers. These are the roundhouse cars, and they come with loads. And there's two spare loads in here that he gave me for free. I paid $100 for all these cars. Now, if you can imagine, these loads, depending on who's selling them separately, they can be anywhere between $6 to $10 per pair for the load. So getting all this for $100 plus these two for free, that's a great deal. Then I picked up another Mantua sugar hopper. This was $3. And then from the same vendor, I got this boxcar, which was $15. So this was another vendor I got these cars from. A lady was selling them. And then these two, well, wait. This one and this one I got together. So this was $3, this was $15. So I bought this one and this one together. Then I got these two from another vendor. These were $4 a piece, so that's $8. And then I got this one from another vendor. And it actually matches my baggage car, which is over here. Although the colors are reversed. So I'm going to put that together. I might head up to Stroudsburg tomorrow to get the upgraded truck kit with the metal wheels. Probably do that. And then I got this caboose, which I thought was really cool. It says Air Products on here. It's the Air Products and Chemicals Extended Vision Caboose. I've actually never seen this color scheme before, and I'm really liking it. And I think this would be perfect to be used as a ER&W caboose. And I got some lettering that would be perfect to be put on here. So I will definitely be putting that into good use. What else? I guess I'll show you some sneak peeks at what I've been working on. So originally, way back when I first made these, I called these SDL 38-2s. I'm not going to be using that designation for these. These are SD 28s. So these are some units I've been working on. Actually, I've really been getting them done this week. And actually, the detail work that I did on this unit was featured in Model Railroad Tips on Instagram, which was pretty cool. I wasn't expecting that to be featured, but the technique that I used to basically paint on a painted model is you mask off the area around the area you want to paint, and then you use note cards extending out and above on the areas you don't want the overspray to get on. And they really liked how I did that, and they saw pictures and they just said, okay, we're going to share your content on our page. And there, lo and behold, which is pretty cool. So this is one variant of the SD28 that I built. It's actually X Atlantic Coastline, number 1005, SD35 obviously. And then here's another variant. I left the 3 fans intact on this one. These are Plano hatches. I have a bunch of these guys, so really convenient to use Plano hatches for these, which is cool. And these are the original Atlas fans. And I used Tamiya paint, so this is semi-gloss black, which actually toned down with flat clear pretty much matches the factory paint, which is really cool. And I do have a Louisville and Nashville unit, my only Louisville and Nashville unit. This is also another SD28. So I will be getting this one painted. I got to find the right color to me of paint to match this one. So yeah, that's probably something I'll do on Monday, which is my day off. And then here's my final SD28, which actually is a Conrail unit. I put the ER&W keystone on the front, and I changed the nose on it to have the nose lights because I didn't want to put ditch lights on it, and I like nose lights, so I did that. So it kind of looks miscolored because this is French blue, which it looks pretty cool. You know, I like oddball units, and the mix match colors are, you know, pretty cool. And the 4 exhaust spark arresters are a holdover from what I looked at on IC Illinois Central SD20s with the 4 exhaust stacks. So I wanted to have that, so I put them on that unit and that unit there. So those are just some secret projects I've been working on. I already got the handrails painted for that, so I'll be putting that on. I need to get decals for that too, but that's what I've been working on. And my W440 Cat, I will be getting that finished soon. Oh boy, yeah, a lot of stuff going on, guys. I've been trying to wrap up all these projects that I've been letting accumulate over the years, and I've been just knocking them out. Like, I got these 2 done last night. This was mostly done last night, but I had to wait for everything to dry, but it's mostly assembled and done. I just got to get the decals for it. I got to get the decals for this one, which are in the mail, and I got to paint that one. But this is what I've been up to. So, yeah, a lot of stuff going on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be seeing you guys later. Bye, y'all.